Hey! We are driving around and it's sunset. So we are looking for some yummy snacks, some yummy merienda here in Siargao. And in this video, we're going to share just some, kasi super dami talaga. But we're going to share some of our favorite street snacks or merienda here in Siargao. Yeah!
Stand up.
Adto, jadto na. Kaon kami na manggang hilaw. Kalami sa mangga. Suka.
Kuya, saan suka?
Palit kami. Taste it. You want salt with it? Taste it, go. How you like it? Oh. Taste it. Aslum. Aslum ko.
Aslum?
You're welcome.
Aslum.
Try it with sausawan.
Ano lilo aslum? Aslum niya.
Taste it. Try it with salt. It's sour. Oh. No.
Dali. Labak na. Ay, katapusan mo lang ang mag-video.
So why you bother? This is nothing you can run from. I hope you make it.
How's it?
Good.
Yeah. What's the taste?
It's sour.
Yeah. What's the? How do you say sour in Bisaya?
Aslum.
You like aslum food?
Yeah. Well,
What about you, Ko? You like aslum food?
well, sour.
You like aslum food? Wala. NR. Busy. Hi, guys.
Hello.
We just got the laundry. Ay, may sumasagot si Papa. Today is a different day, a different street snack. And this is probably my most favorite, my number one favorite. That Ellie likes this and Lilo has loved this since she was a little girl. And it's probably the most famous snack here in Siargao. And also with the most famous magbaligyaay. Pandekoko! Hello! It's my friend Auntie. Hi Auntie! Kamusta ka?
Ikaw, Marajaw?
Oo, Marajaw. Magpalit ako ng pandekoko.
Naman. Ay, Bisaya na ganyan.
Oo, Bisaya na gajud ako.
Hindi na kung bakit-bakit.
Oo. Hibayo na, listo na. Magsurigaw nun.
Listo na ka na magsarigaw na.
Bago pa kaluto.
Nagluto na taka.
Nagluto na. Before, we used to have Auntie having her oven here and she would cook it, bake it fresh. Kay uman waya na kang magluto din sa sa
Bawal.
Ay, bawal. Amo ba dya? Okay ra. Lami raman sab.
Lami rasa.
Yeah.
Naman.
Oh. Wow, kahamot. Kahamot ng pandekoko. Magpalit ako
Pilang.
pilaan isa. 5 rasab. Kalaong ko, nagmahal na kamo.
So kaya, nagtista-tista.
Ay, wala ba dyan ako pan bayad? Alright.
Ayun.
Oo.
Dako na imo baby.
Oo, dyan to sila duha sa ilayo.
Sa ilayo.
Bye!
Bye.
I got it. And now we will give them. Here you are. Have some. Okay, tell me what you think. Have a bite.
Yum.
Go ah. Yum, you like it? You love pan de coco. It's called pan de coco. Can you say?
And the coco.
Pan de coco. Ate Sebel, say pan de coco.
Ready to do. I want some.
Sinusunto ka ba sa sarap?
Hindi, napasunto ko sa sarili ko. Napunta ako sa Malinaw.
Hinanap kami ni Papa eh. Sa Malinaw siya eh.
Sa Pandikoko lang pala kayo. I went to Malinaw flying.
He wipe.
Where you going, cowboy?
Go here.
Uy, hamang ka.
Go here.
The water's rising, the dam is breaking in. It was bound to happen, 'cause your heart is caving in. So why you
Na-timingan. Hello, oh, who's that? Hey! Magandang umaga! Hello! Happy hour! Happy hour! Diyan kami kung sa jacking horse. Looking for some salbaro.
Hey, palita!
Palitate! I got it! Okay, now we are going Salbaro. Brianna. Ano yung salamat. Okay. This is cassava chips. A giant
Don't ano ho?
Gawa ng kamuting kahoy.
Burgosit. Ito lang ang namangin ko. Lagi nag-go-food. Kaya naman yan.
knock knock.
Nabidyo ka na ito, Bel.
Okay. So, a giant cassava chip drizzled with sugar syrup. Ano ba? Ano to? Asukar. Is it yummy? Yeah. Nakapila na ka, mahal.
Duha. Ikaw, duha na. Puro ng lupat.
Nilipad yung mga saki. Yung sayang.
You're pressing it. You don't need to press it. Hold it tight. Outline. Wow!
Cha!
Wow ka mo!
Ganun ka crispy yung salbaro na nilipad yung salbaro.
Ko.
Kasing crispy mo.
Yummy? Kuha?
It was bound to happen, 'cause your heart is caving in.
So, this is one of the best street snacks in Siargao. And then, we're gonna share our other favorite street snacks here.
Yummy.
What do you like about it?
Sweet and crunchy.
We're here at the back road. We stopped for some merienda because we just recently discovered like really good shakoy here in the back road. Super sarap talaga, as in. So kami ni Papa, we talked about going back just for it. Tapos kahapon naubusan na. So ngayon, bibili kami.
I hope you make it, 'cause I can't change it.
May asukal na yun. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, thank you! Yeah, it's so soft. Look.
Sakoy.
Bago pa kaluto.
Yummy, Baba. Really yummy. You need to try this
Because
a
it's
little.
just so soft.
Sugar.
Sakto lang yung tamis.
Yummy.
Mama say.
Try ko na. Is it yummy? Is it yummy?
Mommy, I want chicken.
Okay.
And mango shake
Mm.
Mama, Mara.
I'm busy. I can have 5. Easy.
Ayaw niya yung 1 piece each lang kami. 10
Never.
pesos.
If you eat a good food, never one.
Yeah.
Because if it's good, always go back. If it's not good, never go
Never
back.
go back. Mga words of wisdom.
My third one.
Nasa 1 piece pa kami ni Kowa. It's just, look,
I eat it with love.
with feelings.
Nice.
Every time I bite, there's always extra.
Nice.
It's the softest, fluffiest chocolate I've ever had. Yeah. You lie down there lang.
Drink water.
Mama say.
Mmm.
Donut.
Donut. It's a
Close,
Filipino
close.
donut.
Big.